guys, welcome back to my channel. Just quickly, I wanted to film this. I didn't plan to film this, but I was thinking about it as I was detangling my hair, and that is self-care, and how glad that I am fortunate enough to have off today. I had this whole week for vacation, already planned on the schedule, but I didn't take the full week off. What I decided to do was just take Thursday and Friday off, and thank God, because you guys know I've been doing Vlogmas, so there's been a lot of filming, a lot of editing. I've been crazy busy and all that good stuff, and some things have fallen to the wayside, and I had a lot of laundry to do and dishes to wash, all that kind of stuff. And so I'm so happy that I have today a full day to dedicate to self-care and regrouping and putting myself back together, if you will. So maybe you don't have a full day today, maybe you have a half day or just a couple of hours, but like my boss at work, she told me that she said to her husband, like, I just need an afternoon to get my nails done and kind of relax and do my thing, and then, you know, get everything prepared for dinner, and, you know, we're hosting for Christmas this year and finish shopping for the kids and stuff like that. So if you're watching this is just to encourage you to take a moment to breathe, even if it's just 30 minutes, an hour, or like me, a full day if you can, so that you can enjoy this holiday season and don't stress about all the things that you have to do. They will get done, and whatever doesn't get done, you know, I'm pretty sure it's not a big deal. No one's going to be disappointed or anything like that. I think we put way too much pressure on ourselves about what people think and all of that, when it doesn't matter. What really matters is our time spent with our families and enjoying each other. And, you know, if you're Christian, Jesus is what matters. You know, this is who we celebrate this time of year, and just to remain grateful and thankful for all the blessings that we have in our lives. So all of that was going through my head as I woke up this morning around like 7, and I started cleaning up, and it just felt so good to clean. And that's one of my self-care tips or things that I do on a normal basis, is that once I have my entire home just clean and put back together, I feel from the inside out just 1,000 times better. I feel like I'm thinking clearer. I just feel refreshed. And then I start taking care of my body. I worked out for a half hour, made myself a delicious and healthy smoothie with greens and fresh fruit and some, you know, high quality vegan protein powder. And that just made me feel good. And now, you know, I took my clip-ins out and detangled my hair. That's why it's in these like 4 sections. It's so thick right now, so I actually have to like wash my hair in these sections. But I'm going to massage my scalp and shampoo and put a hair mask on, probably do a face mask, and all of these things, you know I could get done at a salon or something like that. And normally I definitely love to support my hairstylists and my nails, you know, nail techs and all that kind of stuff around this season, so I can tip them and all that kind of good stuff. So don't feel guilty if you're spending money to go get your hair done, go get your nails done, or anything like that, because you're supporting someone's business. That's the way I look at it. And this is the time of year where you should tip a little bit more, if you can. You know, don't feel pressured to do that, but tip, you know, the people that have been taking care of your hair and your skin and your nails, and, you know, your postman and all that kind of stuff. You know, if you can just give them a card just that says thank you. It doesn't have to always be monetary, but you get what I'm trying to say. But anyway, to save some extra money this month, because I did reactivate in my sorority, so I had to write a check to pay my dues this month. And so I didn't exactly I kind of planned, but I didn't plan it. So that's just some extra money that I maybe didn't intend to spend, but I did. So I figure, you know, my birthday is in like 2 weeks, so I'm just gonna schedule my hair appointment for January versus this month. I already got my nails done. My nails pretty much last like a month. I was going to say a week, a month. So I got my nails done like the last week in November, so I'm good with that. But I am going to do my pedicure at home. I could have gone back to the salon to do that, but again, I'm doing these things and I have the day off and I have the time to do it, and it's gonna make me feel good and make me feel beautiful and feel put together, and I don't have to worry about it this weekend, and I can finish my shopping and all of that. So cleaning up my home and then getting good workout, taking care of my body, doing my hair, and I'm gonna do my pedicure tonight. And just enjoying some alone time too is healthy during this time of year when there's just a lot of people around you, and you're kind of maybe filtering a lot of different emotions and things like that. Last night, after I finished editing, I just curled up on the couch, made myself a quick salad, and I watched Ellen's stand-up with Netflix did an original comedy series with her, and it's called Relatable. So Ellen DeGeneres Relatable, that was a really good stand-up. I had a really good laugh, and went to bed early, woke up early. Just awesome, so start your self-care routine. If it's tonight, just making a cup of tea, watching a comedy, curling up on the couch, just something to just relax you and put you at ease, because I want you to enjoy the holiday season and not stress out about it. So that is what I have for you for today's video. This is totally spontaneous and off the fly, but I felt like it was necessary for me to say this and film this. And yeah, but we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming. I did have a video planned today, so this isn't like replacing something, but what I had planned for today will either just go up tomorrow, or maybe there'll be an extra video this month. I don't know, but yeah, I just want to encourage you and inspire you all to just take a moment. If you can't take the full day, take an hour, take 20 minutes, something to refresh yourself, restore yourself. You're doing a lot of giving of your time and your money and all of that, so do something for you and take care of you. So I love you guys so much, and happy holidays. Love you guys. Mwah.